Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let me start by greeting all of you on this very auspicious occasion of Gurpurav. India celebrates today the birthday of one of greatest thinkers, philosophers, and leaders of India who founded the Sikh religion. My name is Sanjeev Chowdhury, and I am privileged to serve as the Chief Executive Officer of Super Religare Laboratories, your host for this morning's function. I am indeed deeply honored to welcome in our midst today one of world's most illuminated minds. We are 6 billion people on this planet. Less than 1,000 people, 900 odd, have had the honor of being recognized by us, by mankind, as the members of the elite Nobel Club. They've been awarded Nobel Prizes. Of the 1,000 that have been awarded to date, less than 200 have been given in the field of medicine. And we have 60 living medicine Nobel laureates in the world. So we have one of those 60 of 6 billion people in our midst today, and we're deeply honored to welcome you, sir, to India, and to welcome you to the launch function of SRL Global Knowledge Forum. Month of October has always fascinated me, not because it is autumn, end of summer, beginning of winter, but it's in the month of October that the Nobel Prizes are announced. I vividly recall 1996, October, when I was every morning looking at newspapers as to who are the great men of scholarship who've been recognized for their seminal work in that year. And I think it was 20th October when Professor Doherty was named as the Nobel laureate for 1996. And his research related to a field which impacts mankind in a very, very significant way. He helped mankind understand how body's immune system recognizes the impacted viral cells. How does the body recognize the friend from the foe within the system? And this research has actually deepened the understanding of drugs, of solutions, and of ways and means to keep human beings healthier through their lifespan. Professor Doherty was born in Australia and had his early education in veterinary sciences. He did his doctorate at the famous University of Edinburgh in Scotland, and then went back to Australia to pursue his research. In doing his research and in being recognized for his seminal research, he was also the first person that started off in veterinary sciences and was eventually acknowledged for great quality work in the field of medicine. So in a sense, he also manifested the reality of the fact that whether it is animals or humans, many systems, many processes are actually pretty much the same. And one understanding of one leads us to the understanding of the other. When Professor Doherty was awarded the Nobel Prize, it actually created a lot of interest in the medical community and in the scientific community for people to look at new pathways, new solutions on how the body's adaptive immune system could be made to work or made not to work in specific situations depending on what medical condition one is battling. While passing through a big airport, once saw a book, the title of which was A Beginner's Guide to Winning the Nobel Prize. And I picked up that book, and it was a masterpiece written by none other than Dr. Doherty himself. Only if you've been to the Mount Everest that you can write a book on how to get to Mount Everest. For others, it's just imagination. His sense of humor, his sense of humility, and his sense of belongingness to the cause of mankind have endeared himself very phenomenally to everyone who he has worked with. I understand, sir, this is not your first visit to India, but we have an unwritten rule in this country that unless you visited Taj Mahal, the visit to India is not deemed to be complete, and you're not doing it this time, but we hope that we'll have you back in India again to visit a beautiful monument of love. Super Raleigh Laboratories is one of India's largest and one of the world's fastest growing companies in the field of diagnostic sciences. One of the challenges of any diagnostic company, a pathology company, is to bring to the market, to the clinicians, new tests, new technologies, and new platforms. And this entails the very basic process of interacting with doctors, helping doctors understand how this specific test would help them improve their diagnosis, get a clearer picture of what's happening so that the line of treatment could be more effective. As a company, we offer close to 4,000 tests out of 5,000 or so that are possible to be performed on human body. And to reach out the knowledge and awareness of these tests to doctors in India and doctors in all the countries that we operate in. And as it may be of interest to know that India has over 600,000 doctors, pretty close to the number in the United States, but we have 4 times this population. So in terms of penetration of better quality Medicare, healthcare and diagnostic facilities, we are still very much in the early stages of the curve. So our doctors who work for the company, our scientific officers who work for the company, go out and talk about these tests at nursing homes, at hospitals, interact with clinicians, and we do it all the year, everywhere. The intent was that we bring all our knowledge and extension activities intended for sharing the knowledge of diagnostics with doctors and with people at large under the umbrella of one single entity, and that entity has been named SRL Global Knowledge Forum.